Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Uvera. Today we're going to be going over take-home number 1 for class 621. The first question is list the prime numbers less than 10. So that does not include 10, we're looking at numbers 9 and lower or smaller. Prime number means we're looking for a number that has two factors. So 1 actually has only one factor. It's 1 times 1. They're one in the same number, so that's one factor. So it's not included as a prime number. It's a special case. Next, we're going to go on to the number 2. To get 2, we multiply 1 times 2. There are no other whole numbers that give us 2, so it's a prime number. 3 is 1 times 3. Again, no other whole numbers multiply to give 3, so 3 is prime. 5 is 1 times 5. No other numbers give 5. And 7 is 1 times 7. 4 has more than two factors. It's 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So it actually has 3 factors. 1, 2, and 4. 6 is the same. It's an even number. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of 6. 8 is an even number. 1, 2, 4, and 8 are factors of 8. And 9 has 3 factors just like 4. It's 1, 3, and 9. So our prime numbers that are less than 10, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Number 2, list the composite numbers less than 10. And we talked about that briefly when we talked about prime numbers. The definition of composite numbers is a number that has more than 2 factors. So 4, we listed it. Its factors are 1, 2, and 4. 6, its factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And 8, its factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And 9 is 1, 3, and 9. Number 3, list the square numbers less than 90 and greater than 50. So a square number is a number who has 2 factors that are one and the same. So 4 is 2 times 2. 9 is 3 times 3. 6, let me write it in, 16 is 4 times 4, or 4 squared. 25 is 5 times 5, or 5 squared, and so on. And we're looking for the ones that are between 50 and 90, and that's these two numbers here, 64 and 81. Its square root is 8 for 64 and 9 for 81. Number 4, multiply 6 and 4 tenths and 3 and 2 hundredths. I'm putting the number on top that has more digits, that's 3 and 2 hundredths, and the 6 and 4 tenths has only 2 digits, it's going to go underneath. And after we multiply out, we end up with 19,328. To determine where the decimal point should be in the answer, we're going to count the number of decimal places in the question. There's 2 for 3 and 2 hundredths, and there's 1 for 6 and 4 tenths. So total, that's 3 of them. We need to put in 3 decimal place values in to our solution, and it becomes 19 and 328 thousandths. Number 5. When we're subtracting it says subtract 34 and 2 tenths and 6 and 93 hundredths. That means 34 and 2 tenths goes on the top, and we're taking 6 and 93 hundredths away from it. To be able to subtract, we have to put a placeholder in, and 3 cannot be taken away from 0, so we have to borrow here. After all the borrowing and subtracting is done, we end up with 27 and 27 hundredths. If you have any questions, please see me in class. Have a good day.